Good morning, students. Welcome to today's lecture. In the last class, we discussed factorization using factor theorem. Today, we will take some questions of that only. Question number 5, fourth part. Question was this only. As I have seen the variable is y, I named this question as py. You can name it as qy, ty, whatever you want. Okay. Second thing, this is a cubic equation. Why it is cubic? Because power of variable, that is the maximum power, is 3. So degree is 3, hence it is cubic polynomial. Second thing I have told you, in these equations to solve by factor theorem, you need to make sure that the coefficient of maximum power is how much? 1. But here it is 2. So we have to take 2 common from this. You can see 2 will come out of this very easily, but here there is no 2. So what will happen? We have to divide by 2. Here also we have a 2, it will come out easily, but here we have to divide by 2. I hope you got this. That is why we got this term. So 2 came out as common. We have y cube plus y square by 2 minus y minus 1 by 2. Now we know, as it is a cubic equation, the answer will look like py is equal to 2 y minus a, y minus b, y minus c. If you want, you can write like this also. The answer will look like 2 y plus a, y plus b, y plus c. Nothing will change. Okay, that is also okay. Now we have to think one, that whenever we expand this, we will get the last term as ABC. We will get the constant term in this expansion as ABC. So I can say in that expansion and this equation, this is the constant part, and in that expansion, ABC is the constant part. So we can say ABC equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have to write all the possible factors of minus 1 by 2. These factors will help us to do the hit and trial methodology. So all the possible factors of minus 1 by 2 are plus minus 1 by 2 and plus minus 1. Now I think the first factor, or the first, what you say, 0 can be obtained using these only. So let's start. So now by hit and trial, we are trying to find the first 0 of py, because I told you in cubic equations it is very important to find the first 0 by this method only. Okay, other two zeros you can find by simply getting the quadratic equation. Now first I am putting p1 by 2. After putting p1 by 2 and solving, I got this. You can check on your own. It is not equal to 0. So I am rejecting y equal to 1 by 2, because it is not a 0 of py. Next, I am checking with p of minus 1 by 2. Checking this means I am replacing minus 1 by 2 with y. So 2 bracket minus 1 by 2 cube plus minus 1 by 2 square upon 2 minus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 bracket. Now you will see the actual use of placing the brackets. If we didn't have this habit of putting brackets, we would have got wrong answer. Okay. Now we will open the brackets one by one and see the change. First of all, this one, power is 3, so negative will remain. It becomes minus 1 by 8. Then we have plus sign. This is minus 1 by 2 whole square. As power is 2, this negative will go. It becomes 1 upon 4 upon 2 as it is. Then we have minus into minus. When you open the bracket, what will happen? These two will multiply, and we know minus into minus is plus. This is plus sign. Okay, this is 1 by 2, and the last is simple minus 1 by 2. Now in this case, we know this 4 and 2 multiply, it becomes 1 by 8. So this term and this term is same but different sign. So they will cancel each other. Similarly, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will cancel each other, and we have got 2 bracket 0. So answer is 0. We can say y is equal to minus 1 by 2. We can say y is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the first 0 of py. And when we take this minus 1 by 2 to that side, we will get y plus 1 by 2 is the first factor of py. I hope you got this. Now dividing py by y plus 1 by 2. I have told this after getting the first factor, what we have to do is we have to divide the given polynomial by first factor to get a quadratic equation. Okay, let's see. So this is my first factor that I have obtained by hit and trial. This is my actual equation. Let's start. We want 2y cube first to remove. So y into 2y square will give me 2y cube, and half into 2y square will give me y square. Changing the sign. This is cancelled. This is cancelled because same numbers, different sign. Got it? We are lucky that both of them are cancelled. Now we have minus 2y minus 1. Again, y into minus 2 will give me minus 2y, and half into minus 2 will give me minus 1. Again, changing the sign, we obtain same numbers, different sign. Same numbers, different sign. So they both will cancel each other and we will get 0. Okay. So this is the quotient. This is the divisor, and this is the dividend. We all know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0. So we have to write py can be written as y plus 1 by 2 into quotient. Any issue? No. Now see, in this part, is there anything common? Yes, 2 is common. So 2 will come out as like this, and we are left with y square minus 1. As soon as you see this term, what comes in your mind? It is formula of a square minus b square. So we can write like this: 2 y plus 1 by 2 y square minus 1, and the final answer will be 2 into y plus 1 by 2 y plus 1 y minus 1. Now if you compare with this, we have assumed the answer will look like this, so we have got the answer like this only. Okay, that is why I have assumed. One thing, if you don't assume, then also no issue. You can just try by finding the factors of 1 by 2 and you can get. Okay, no issue. I hope you got this. Algebraic identities is the new topic. In the last class, we learned 4 formulas which we used to expand and for factorization also, if you remember. In this class also, we will use these only. Apart from these, we will have 5-6 more formulas that we will use to expand as well as to factorize. Okay, so here I will like to help you in one thing, that if you know formula of plus 1, you can derive the formula of minus 1 on your own. This will help you to learn less and remember more. Okay, so please pay attention. First formula that we learned in the last class was x plus y whole square is equal to this thing. Okay, we also know formula of this one, but today I will let you know how to find formula of this using the first one only. So if you know the formula of plus, you can find the formula of minus very easily. How? Let's write. We can write this term as x plus bracket minus y whole square. Now these two are comparable because first term x x, second term is plus plus, so they both are same. Third term is y minus y, that is of no issue. Okay, now you can expand this with this formula. Just make sure you have to replace y with minus y. Okay, so the first term x square as this one only. Second term is 2xy here, but here we have 2 x minus y. By mistake I have written minus with the x, but it should be minus y. X should be positive. Okay, you can correct it in your notebook. Okay, plus this should be minus y whole square. This should be minus y whole square, because minus whole square is plus only, that is why it became plus. And here we have only one negative sign, that is why we have got negative. That is why we use this formula for this. So this is simple derivation of the formula. Okay, we will use this derivation technique for all the further formulas that we will learn. Okay, now x square minus y square we all have studied, simple, x plus y, x minus y. Okay, please make sure of this thing again. This is not negative, this is x only, this is minus y in bracket, and this is also minus y in bracket, of which we having a whole square. Okay, now x plus a into x plus b, same thing, x multiplied by complete term plus a into complete term, like this. You can derive like this, answer will be this, which I have written here also. This formula you already know. Okay, so we can find any formula on our own just by simplifying. So there is no pressure of remembering them. Okay, now first new formula, that is formula number 5, is x plus y plus z whole square. We have studied x plus y whole square, but we have not studied this formula. Not difficult. We will learn how to derive it. First, let's see what is the formula. Formula is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Not very difficult to understand and remember, but still, I want you to understand how this formula came into existence, because that is important. So what will we do? Whatever we know already, we will try to use those knowledge to understand this expansion. So what I have done, I have taken a bracket on x plus y. Why? So that I can assume it as one term only. I have assumed it as m. What I have done, I have put a bracket on x plus y so that I can take it as one term only, that is m. And we have got new question as m plus z whole square. This is very easy for us to solve. We know the expansion is simple, m square plus z square plus 2mz. Now is the time when we should put the value of m. So what is the value of m? X plus y, but in bracket we have to put, because every new things is coming in packaging only. So square plus z square plus 2 into bracket x plus y into z. Now again it is easy for us to open. I have opened it like this, x square y square 2xy, then z square, then 2 into x is 2x, into z is 2xz, then 2 into y is 2y, into z is 2yz. So this is the final term. Just rearrange it and we have got the answer, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. So here we understood how we can use our previous knowledge to understand the new knowledge. Okay, this is like a bridge. Okay, you can't form a new bridge without having the previous starting. Okay, now an example for you, you have to expand this thing, 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. If you see it carefully, it is similar to the formula x plus y plus z whole square. So we can compare these two. So we are given the factor form and it is saying expand. So we want to find the expanded form. Very simple. We know the formula is this thing. First compare. What is x? 3a. What is y? 4b. What is z? 5c. Just put this value in this and you will get the answer. Not at all difficult. See, I have compared and got this value. Now just put the value. What is x? 3a whole square. What is y? 4b whole square. What is z? 5c whole square. Just put in bracket, make sure. Then we have 2xy, therefore 2 into x is 3a, y is 4b, plus we have 2yz. So 2 into y is 4b, z is 5c. Similarly, 2 into zx. I hope you got this. Now just open the brackets and you have got the answer. That is 9a square, 16b square, 25c square, and all of this. Okay. This is just simple use of formula to expand the given question. Now, suppose this question comes. Now you are frightened that, sir, the formula you told us is of x plus y plus z whole square. But right now the question you are giving is having negative in between. No issue. I told you, if you know the formula of positive, you can do any question with that. So we can write this question as 4a plus bracket minus 3b plus bracket minus 3c whole square. Now compare with this. Now can you compare? Yes. So x is same as 4a, then plus sign. Y is same as minus 3b, plus sign. Z is same as minus 3c. No issue. So I have written the values like this. Now using the same formula, put the values, but make sure this time negatives are there. So more attention because negative is fire. Okay. So x is 4a whole square. Then we have y square and y is minus 3b. So bracket minus 3b whole square plus z square. Z is negative. Bracket square plus 2x y. So x is 4a, y is minus 3b plus 2y z. Y is negative, z is negative plus 2zx. Z is negative, x is positive. Now just open the brackets and you will get the answer. 4 square is 16a square. Negative 3b square is 9b square. Negative 3c square is 9c square. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. AB first term. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 3s are 18. There are two negative signs. Hence it is positive 18bc. Then 2 3s are 6. 6 4 are 24. One negative sign. Hence minus 24 AC. I hope you understood this new formula very well and you will be able to solve questions like this. Okay. Thank you. All the best. If anything is unclear, kindly revise the lecture one more time. It will be clear to you. Thank you.